Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of focus train your brain weekly on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about focus app and we click in this page of app. And for we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.